Congratulations. Your seat for the AI Marketplace Workshop, Faith and AI Edition, is officially reserved. You just made a powerful decision for your business and for your calling. Before we move forward, I want to share something that will help you get the most out of this experience. Every time we run this workshop, something predictable happens. Once we start diving into your gifts, your message, and the possibilities of AI, people begin asking deep, specific questions about their business, their workflow, their strategy, and the next steps they should take. The challenge is that inside the main session, I can't answer every individual question. There are simply too many people in the room. That's why I created the VIP experience. When you upgrade to VIP, you get access to 3 private coaching and Q&A sessions. The first one is immediately after the workshop, where I answer your questions live and help you map out your next steps. The second session happens the following week to support you as you begin implementing. And the final session is an accountability session designed to help you lock in consistency and walk out your 30-day plan with clarity and confidence. Next, as a VIP, you get lifetime access to every workshop replay. While general attendees lose access when the event ends, you'll be able to revisit the training anytime, study key sections, and share insights with your team. This becomes your personal Faith in AI training library. You'll also receive the full VIP implementation toolkit after the event, including the slide deck, notes, highlights, checklists, and AI prompts. This is how you take what God reveals during the workshop and make it plain, clear, and actionable so you can run with it. And because I want you to start strong, you'll receive the Marketplace Prompt Pack instantly when you upgrade. These prompts help you create content, generate leads, write follow-up messages, and get clarity in your business immediately, even before the workshop begins. Now let's talk about investment. For less than the cost of a family dinner out, or about $6 per hour of guided support, you're getting 3 coaching sessions, lifetime access to every training, a complete implementation toolkit, and immediate AI bonuses. Most importantly, you're getting the clarity, direction, and support needed to build the business God is calling you to build. So here's what I want you to do next. Click the button below this video and upgrade to VIP for just $37. It's one of the simplest and most valuable decisions you can make today. I'll see you inside the workshop, and I'll see you in the VIP room where clarity happens, direction is given, and momentum begins.